morning, everyone, or perhaps it's afternoon or evening, depending where you are in the world and what time you see this. For us, it is a Saturday morning, and we are on the way to Calgary. We're going to visit the World of Wheels car show. Now, my understanding is this is not a new car show, so to speak. It's old cars, older motorcycles, at least that's my understanding from reading up, was it's a first for KassDays as well. We've never been to this, we didn't even know that show actually exists. I checked up a little bit on it, and apparently they have it in different Canadian cities, but also in the US in some cities. It's always under the same name, World of Wheels. So I'm kind of looking forward. I think they may have some hot rods, maybe some modified motorcycles. As I say, not quite sure what to expect, but looking forward, and we'll be checking this out, and hopefully you join us and we'll explore together. So this is a 1961 Chevy Biscayne.
Yeah, it is. Right. I wonder what.
Oh, look at this color. How about this for a pickup truck?
Slowly go around the country, yeah. So this is a super shadow.
Here we have a 1973 Capri. Look at all the mirrors they have, so you can kind of see the underside of the car. There is not a spot of dirt or anything on it. Immaculate. Here again, with mirrors, shows the underside of the car. Here we got an old Chevy tow truck. (1948). Wow, look at this one here.
One last minute, put on your okay, let's come on over here.
Some of us still remember these old first mobile phones. Look at that. (1956) Crown Fort Victoria. A 1967 Plymouth.
Hey, Chad.
(1970) Plymouth Superbird.
So it's like it's just something back of mine. I talked to you. Come by, say hi, Jeff. 1967 Nova. Great story, great film.
Here we have a Roadster hot rod, Ford Model A 1929. So it looks beautiful how this is made up. Couch out of the tail section. (1980) Special Edition Trans Am. Have a little window so you can see the transmission and suspension and everything in there. Look at the dash, blue lights shiny.
Yeah, you start looking at those silly things, you know, get the American.
1967 Nova 427. Oh, I like this one here. Um, 1973 Mark 1. Not sure if you can see, but look at the old tape deck. It's all originals. (1937) Chevrolet. It's a 1969 Dodge Charger. (1967) Corvette. Some gremlins. And I mean by gremlins, not just the display but also the car. (1973) AMC Gremlins. Okay. Hello. Like they've been sitting in there for a while. Biggest spray can I have ever seen. I have not seen one of them since I left Europe. That's a 1971 Opel GT. As a kid, I always thought they looked kind of cool. But, or if you can see the little sparkle in the black, so I'm not sure if it will show up, but it's kind of nice how the light reflects off it. So much for double parking. Lamborghini. If you're a Volkswagen fan, $1966. This one is folding windows up front.
Like meaning peace. Really meaning
Well, that was the world of wheels. Hopefully you enjoyed it as much as we did. Please send us a comment, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for all our current subscribers. If you're new, please check in very soon again and check out our various videos. So until next time, stay well and see you all very soon again.